Well, I didn't think I'd be making this video. RedWire Space partners with Virgin Galactic. Let's talk. So guys, we're back to RedWire Space. I didn't think we'd be back this quickly, but we had RedWire and VTOLs yesterday, and now today we have RedWire partnering with Virgin Galactic. Guys, we are going to be the largest RedWire Space channel here on YouTube, so make sure to smash that subscribe button because we're already the largest eVTOL channel, and this has been proven by Arch Aviation themselves. Anyway, what are we here for today? Well, RedWire Space, the 3D printing space infrastructure company, has partnered with Virgin Galactic, the guys that want to make space tourism a thing. What we're going to do, we're going to break down the press release, then I'm going to show you a video on why one of these companies have got it completely wrong with what they've said in this release. And then I'm going to share you a personal story I have with Virgin Galactic. So, without further ado, let's get into this. Welcome to the press release. It states Virgin Galactic partners with RedWire to advance research capabilities for new Delta spaceships. Now, if you're not familiar with Virgin Galactic, they're a commercial space company where they want to bring ordinary members of the public up to space. Now, I don't know how realistic this is because the ticket prices are up on $1 million. However, they do have a different side to their business where they do research missions, and this is what this RedWire deal is all about. Virgin Galactic had a spaceship called Unity, and the problem with Unity was they only ever really filled 3 seats at a time, and it took up on a month to replenish, so it'd only give them around 12 flights per year. These new Delta spaceships are coming out in 2026, where I could see it being pushed back to 27. These are going to take up on a week to replenish between flights. However, I want this to work so badly, but I just cannot see the business model and what they want to achieve with this. Anyway, let's get right into the news today about RedWire. So Virgin Galactic Holdings today announced a partnership with RedWire Corporation, and this is to manufacture the new research payload lockers, and these are going to travel on board the new Delta spaceships. Virgin Galactic states that this new platform will significantly upgrade the microgravity research capabilities available within these new Delta spaceships. So we had Virgin Galactic's Vice President of Research Operations saying that their state-of-the-art research platform, designed for compatibility with longer duration space locker missions, means that they can offer suborbital space lab suited for testing technologies and research in preparation for orbital, lunar, or Martian missions. Now, from my understanding of this, RedWire are going designing the lockers that will be compatible to the Delta spaceships, and these are going to be up on the same standard as the missions that are aboard the International Space Station. But these lockers will be autonomous and human-tended research, and I'll show you exactly what the lockers are going to look like. So these are a picture of the lockers here. RedWire is excited to partner with Virgin Galactic, and Virgin Galactic's vehicles are going to offer suborbital space lab for research, commercial industry, and governments to experiment. Now, what are your thoughts on this? I have 2 things. Why are RedWire doing this? And why are Virgin Galactic going so heavily on research? One, I think RedWire, it doesn't really matter what partners they get. They just need business. They just need more and more business to be able to scale up. However, would you want to be tied in with the likes of a failing company like Virgin Galactic? If we look at the stock prices, we can see over the past year, RedWire has just gone astronomical. Over the 5-year, we can see a nice 108% return. If we compare that, it's complete opposite with Virgin Galactic. With the announcement of this deal, we're gone up 6%, which, if you're new to this, it looks good. However, if we compare that over the 1 year, it's absolutely terrible, down 87%. You don't want to look at the 5-year. Now you know what I mean. So my real problem here is Virgin Galactic coming out and more or less saying they're going to be to the same standard of longer duration missions. And we can see up above, they're going to significantly upgrade their microgravity research capabilities available upon Virgin Galactic flights. Now guys, I'm about to show you a video why I don't think this is entirely true. And I think this is just a way of Virgin Galactic giving good PR by tying themselves to a company like RedWire in order to pump their stock in order to dilute again for more capital. Anyway, let's get on to this video. So have any of you actually seen a Virgin Galactic spacecraft in flight? So really, they're a mothership and it carries, this vehicle at the moment is Unity, but the Delta spaceships are going to look very similar, just more streamlined. We're going to watch this video and then I'm going to tell you why this business model does not work and why I think they're more or less pulling the wool over people's eyes in their press release. Let's get into this video.
5, 3, 2, 1, release. Fire.
Welcome to witnesses, you're clear to unstrap.
Now let me pause it there and just take a note of that. You're clear to unstrap. Now hold that thought.
Welcome to space.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth. To the next generation of dreamers, if we can do this, just imagine what you can do.
All right, everybody, look
Wow.
out the windows. Don't miss Apogee.
Oh my God.
Be quiet.
Incredible. Woo! Oh my God.
Now while impressive, and it's not my entire concern, the spacecraft is quite small, but you're going to say to me on board the International Space Station there isn't enough space. However, we're going to keep going and then I'll tell you what my problem is.
Oh my God. Oh, this is unbelievable. This is too unbelievable. Wow. Oh, unbelievable.
You are the man.
And please return to your seats and strap in. Approaching re-entry.
Okay.
So did anyone get it? Let me know in the comments. So I'm going to let you know. These took them 2.5 hours to get to space. They're in space for between 4 and 5 minutes. They're not able to access any laboratory equipment until they unstrap. So, really, they're only out of their seats for about 3 minutes. What? They might extend it to 5 minutes. Guys, it does not change the fact that these spacecraft are not in space in microgravity for that long. If governments want to go to space, it may be cheaper to be on board one of these Virgin Galactic spacecraft. However, what experiments can you get done in 5 minutes? Yes, I agree some experiments can get done. However, any big commercial deals will still go to the likes of Rocket Lab, SpaceX. This is why it confuses me. Why don't RedWire try and partner with someone like Rocket Lab or SpaceX? Guys, for them to say that RedWire are manufacturing their research payload lockers, and these will significantly upgrade the microgravity research capabilities aboard Virgin Galactic. Guys, it's a completely confusing business model. However, do you think Virgin Galactic will succeed? Please let me know. I really want them to succeed, but I just can't see it happening. Do you want to hear a personal story about me and Virgin Galactic? Well, make sure to watch this video next, because both me and Reese explain all.